Greetings everyone, welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. For this video I am going to be making and lather testing a warm and cozy spiced chai soap. Let's get into what you came here for. The lye solution for this soap is comprised of 75% real chai tea and 25% filtered water. After gathering all of my ingredients, my tools, and prepping my area, I then add my lye to my frozen chai tea and ice cubes and just stir it really slowly and gently until it's completely melted, and then I set it aside until it becomes room temperature. Once my lye solution has reached room temperature, I slowly pour it into my melted oils, which are also room temperature, and that will be followed by using my stick blender to combine the two liquid oils, and then I'll add my plant milks. This soap is completely inspired by my love of herbal teas. In the comments, I would love to know what are some of your favorite teas if you happen to be a tea drinker or tea lover. Perhaps you just like a regular, classic black tea, or maybe you are a bit more adventurous and you like to experiment with different flavors. Let me know below what your favorite teas are. This soap is scented with a chai tea fragrance oil and just a little vanilla essential oil. Once the fragrance was well incorporated into the batter, I separated it into 3 portions. So for the look of the soap, I knew I wanted it to be various shades of brown, and I decided that depending on how fast the soap thickened up as I added the colors, it would either be a swirly chai latte looking soap or perhaps maybe a camouflage look to the soap. This first color being poured is just the uncolored soap batter, and it sort of looks like a warm caramel pudding. The next color will be the soap batter with some titanium dioxide added to it, and then that will be followed by the soap batter with some brown mica powder added to it. As you can see, the soap batter began to thicken up, and so I went with the camouflage look option, and so I just alternated all of the colors into the soap mold until it was completely filled. To create the look for the top of the soap, I just used all of the remaining soap batter from the containers to create a nice gentle swirly effect. I could not let this video go by without sending love and sunshine to all of my subscribers and welcoming every new subscriber. Thank you all so much for any question or comment that you leave on my videos. I try to respond to all of them. And also I want to say hello to my fellow soapy brothers and sisters. Because I'm such a lover of anything chocolate, I really did enjoy creating the look of this soap because it reminds me of some kind of a chocolate dessert. This soap does not smell anything like chocolate. It has those beautiful, warm, spicy notes that you would expect from a chai tea or a chai latte, but then also it has the creaminess of that vanilla essential oil. I let the soap sit for about 16 hours before I cut it, and when I was ready to do a lather test, the soap had cured for 4 weeks. Here's a look at one of the finished Spice Chai soaps. I love the way those browns represent the warm, cozy scent of the chai. As with all of my lather tests, I first lather tested in my hand with some warm water. I follow that up by lather testing it on a bath sponge. And as many of you may know, I consider myself to be a recovered body wash addict. So when I formulated my soaps, it was extremely important to me that my lather was just as good as a body wash, because that's why I use body wash so long, because of the great luxurious lather that many of them have. And I gotta say, I don't have a problem with commercial brands. It's just that me being able to create soaps that can do the same thing as a body wash was a great natural alternative. And so, yeah, that's the story behind why my lather is so awesome and why I'm so proud of it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you found this video to be a great form of infotainment, please don't forget to give this video a nice thumbs up. Also, stay tuned for a final pick of this Spice Chai soap. Have a fantastic morning, afternoon, or evening. See you soon.